Hi friends, and welcome to Ren's Cozy Corner. I'm Ren, and today we are gonna be opening my first ever package from the brand Vina of the Valley. I'm really excited about this. I have been wanting to buy something from this brand for a really long time. A while back I swore off fast fashion, so I haven't really been buying clothes for a long time. And I decided instead I was gonna save up and buy slow fashion. I've been wanting to buy from Vina of the Valley for a long time, but I haven't really been able to afford it until recently. So I have been saving up and recently made my first purchase. I really love all of the designs. They're so girly and cute and whimsical and romantic. Just my thing, really. And also I really love that all of the items are ethically made. The creator behind the brand, I've been following her for a really long time. She's known as Mikan Mandarin on YouTube and Instagram, but her name is Vina, so hence the brand name. I've been following her for many years and following the whole journey of starting this brand, and it's just, it feels nice to finally be able to support this brand. So yeah, with that said, let's get right into it. Okay, so I know I called it an unboxing, but it actually didn't come in a box. It came in this package, which is very cute. Look, it has little lamps on it, and ribbons, and the lily of the valley flower. Anyway, let's open this thing. Here they are. There are two items inside, a dress and a bolero that I think will be so cute together. Here's the dress! Oh, already I can see how incredibly cute this print is. Let's open it. So this is the Sunberry halter dress with the blue rose ribbon motif. It has padding in the chest, so seems like it will provide nice support on its own. The straps are nice and long, which is good because I will have to make a small alteration to this dress as I can't wear halter neck clothes since they give me terrible neck pain. Very nice lace at the hem of the skirt. The cotton fabric is nice and thick, but not too thick. Just seems like good quality. We can see that there's shirring in the back, but only in the upper area, so no shirring at the waist. It also has decorative lacing on both sides that can be used to cinch it in a little if it's a bit loose, which it won't be on me. I'm just hoping I can squeeze into it. It has a separate lining, which is also cotton. Okay, so that's it for the dress. Now let's look at the bolero. Let me just adjust the camera a little bit. So here it is. It's the Rosalie knit cotton bolero cardigan in white. The cotton is very soft and has a really good texture and a pretty pattern. I love these little crochet flowers with ribbons, such a nice touch. They seem very well attached, so no chance of them falling off, I think. No tag in the back, which is great for people like me with sensory issues. It ties in the front with a ribbon, which also seems very sturdy. The tag is sewn into the side here along with the washing instructions. Okay, so that's it really. Now let's see what the items look like on my mannequin. Okay, so I put the dress in bolero on my mannequin, Headless Elsa, and I'm gonna give you a close-up of the details. As we can see, the print is absolutely adorable, and the lacing on the sides is just such a nice touch. The bolero is very pretty and soft and drapes so well over the bust area. I actually didn't notice at first, but the sides of the skirt have an extra layer of organza lining to give it that extra poof. Now here we have just the dress without the bolero. I already altered it, so the straps now attach at the back, preventing neck pain and headaches. I wanted to show you what the whole outfit looks like on me, all nice and styled with accessories, but unfortunately, due to the existence of middle-aged creeps who like to look at girls in short cutesy outfits and cute hosiery, I can't do that. In truth, this is the second time I upload this video, but I had to take it down and re-edit and re-upload it like this. I decided to never show my outfits on myself in videos again if my legs are showing. It's unfortunate, but that's what happens when men decide to be nasty creeps instead of behaving like decent human beings. So what do we think about my new outfit? I'm so happy with it. Really, I am thrilled. I'm very impressed with the quality. It all seems very well made. Couldn't find a single loose thread. And it's all very good quality cotton. It's not see-through. It's really comfortable to wear. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. And I think it's so cute. The print is adorable. I've been wanting more clothes like this for a long time. I think it was absolutely worth it. So those are my honest thoughts. I'm very positive overall. I don't think I have anything negative to say actually about any of these items, and I have already actually purchased another thing while I was waiting for this one. They came out with this adorable cape themed after different animals, and I got one that was like deer themed, so like fawn themed. It had like the fawn print and ears and a hood. Oh my god, I cannot wait to get it. I'm so excited. I probably won't be here until November though, since it's a pre-order item, so have to be patient. But I will definitely be buying from Vina of the Valley again. So yeah, I would absolutely recommend this. I am a big believer in trying to be more sustainable and try to reduce consumption. So I would rather buy a few very well made and sustainable pieces less often than to just buy very cheap clothing that was made in a very unethical way. So I would rather wait longer between every time I get a new piece and try to be creative instead with the pieces that I do have. And I've been doing this for a long time out of necessity, really, because I haven't been able to afford clothing, really. But clothes, like it's very tempting if you don't have a lot of money to spend money on cheap clothes. But I think it's better to be a bit more patient and try to save up instead for better, more ethically made and better quality pieces that will last for longer. And instead try to be creative with styling. And there's no shame in re-wearing pieces or even whole outfits. You know, it's natural, it's normal. We shouldn't normalize wearing an outfit once and then never again, you know? So I want to buy, if I do buy new items, I want to buy slow fashion, and otherwise I want to just buy secondhand. I no longer feel like I really need clothes that often anymore. I have a lot of clothes. There's no shame in buying something, but think about it first and don't just impulse buy. That's all I have to say, I think. Yeah, very happy. Very happy. I can't wait to see what else they will come out with. So what do you think? Leave a like if you liked this video. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and leave a comment. Do you have experience with Vina of the Valley? And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!